option with the correct statements with respect to bryophytes. Fine. Okay, let's see the statements. Bryophytes play a major role in ecological succession. Well, they were the first land plants. Okay. The tallest bryophyte is less than 1 meter. Fine. Fourth statement is talking about vascular tissues are present in them. Well, the last statement is absolutely wrong because they are avascular. They do not have xylem phloem. So vascular tissues are not there. So statement 4 is wrong. They play a major role in ecological succession. Yes, that's true. They were the first land plants. Of course. Do you remember that the first plants, they arised where? On the water. In the water. So algae, then bryophytes. Yes. So bryophytes were the first land plants. The tallest bryophyte, they are really small, minute. Okay. It's less than 1 meter. And the reason is, since they do not have vascular tissues, what will happen? If the plants grow tall, these bryophytes grow very tall, then water, minerals from the soil would not reach the leaves present at the topmost portion. So that's the reason why they do not grow in height, much in height. Fine. Okay. So basically 1, 2, and 3 is correct. So option B should be correct. Let's see if correct related to bryophytes. Then we have gymnosperms and angiosperms. Algae, they're not understand these are the classifications of vascular plants. 1, 2, and 3. They were correct related to bryophytes. Can you solve this question? Non-vascular plants are found in what? Algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes. Then we have gymnosperms, angiosperms. Well, you understand these are the classifications of the plant kingdom. Yes. So, non-vascular. Algae, they are non-vascular. Bryophytes, they are non-vascular. Pteridophytes, they are vascular. So, these are the first type of group of plants which are vascular, which have the vascular tissues like xylem and phloem. Gymnosperms, angiosperms, they of course are vascular. So what I see is option 1 and option 2. Statement 1, statement 2, or rather I can say yes. These two are correct. And so the answer should be option A. Let's see. Yes, algae. Bryophytes do not have, are not at all and have for the plant rich grows mostly in the arid conditions. Well, let's figure out the answer. First, grows mostly in arid conditions? No, they grow in the moist areas. They require moisture. Have roots for anchorage, have two roots, stems and leaves. These will be wrong. Why? Bryophytes do not have differentiated plant body. They do not have roots, stems, leaves because these are differentiated plant structure. They have thallus. Fine. Undifferentiated plant body. They can be prostrate or erect. Yes, this is the true. This is the right answer. Let's see. Like structures. Layer and have sex organs. Examination. Choose the correct statement from the following about bryophytes. Gametophytes of the bryophytes are diploid, independent, and have sex organs. Well, they are not diploid. They are haploid. So incorrect. Gametophytes. Sex organs are unicellular like algae. Incorrect. Sex organs are multicellular unlike algae. Male and female sex organ is archegonium and antheridium respectively. No, it's the other way around. Male is antheridium, female is archegonium. Sex organs arise on stalk and are covered by a layer of sterile cells. Yes, this is correct. Let us do the discussion. You see, the antheridia arise on a stalk. Fine, you got the answer. For this question, what we have to do is, we have to choose the incorrect statement from the following about the fertilization in bryophytes. Incorrect, okay? Isogamous fertilization happens in bryophytes. Well, it seems this one is incorrect because it's anisogamy, which is the case for bryophytes. It's anisogamous fertilization, okay? Antherizoid and egg are haploid. That's true. That's true. Talking about the gametes. The embryo forms spores, sporophytes, and is diploid. Embryo forms sporophytes and is diploid. Yes, the sporophyte is formed from the embryo and it's diploid. The sporophyte is dependent on the gametophyte and produces spores. So these are correct statements. The answer which is incorrect is, that is option A. Option A is incorrect. Let's see. You see, isogamous, archegonium. So yes, the correct answer is isogamous fertilization happens in bryophytes. Because we have to choose the incorrect statement and this is incorrect.